Okay, today we have a Suzuki SX4 in, so we're just going to show you what we've found so far. So we're going to quickly pop in. We've got a little bottle down here which it's emptying into, so no water's filling up in the footwell. We've got our twisty camera down in this little section on the A-pillar. We can see on the inside here that we've got this welded seam. So we can see that it all looks okay in there at the moment. But obviously I'm going to turn the hose on and then we're going to look at just this little weld here, and we can see in the bottle there's nothing leaking out the bottle at the moment. So if we just quickly come over, what I've done is I've stuck the hose directly underneath your scuttle area, so it's on your bulkhead. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to turn the hose on, just simulate it's raining. So we've got the hose obviously spraying in that section there. Now if we quickly go back in the car, it's a bit tricky to see, but I think we have obviously found it now. Right, okay, so we can just about see the clear bits of water coming down here, and we've got a little spot of water here. So what that's doing is it's running out the top of the bulkhead, as we can see here, and then it's then running down, and then once it runs down, it's then filling up the bottle. So we can see that obviously the water's starting to run down there. Obviously we have to give it a second for the water to start coming out. Okay. Starting to come out very slowly, but as we know, it's got to fill up a box section. Then once it fills up the box section, it then comes out of the pipe. So I believe we've obviously solved this one here. The only problem is we're going to need an hour's investigation, so we can obviously remove the front scuttle area, clean it up, and then locate this crack, which is obviously coming down the bulkhead. So that would be the major leak we've found on the front end there. And we're just going to show you another little bit we've found on the back side.